Okay, good job.
I like to eat banana.
Are you going to be a rock and roll star with your
Cool.
guitar someday?
Good job.
Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
You want to show your Dorothy dress or not really? You want to show your Dorothy dress?
I want to show them the sparkles. I can't see the sparkles.
Oh, you can see the sparkles. What are you doing, Mom? Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.